Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is couple. So, what does couple mean? Well, it's a noun, and at its most basic, it means two people or two things. Think of it as a pair, a set of two. We use it all the time in everyday language. For example, you might say, I need a couple of eggs from the store, or that's a nice couple walking in the park. It's a very useful word to know. Let's delve a little deeper. What are some synonyms for couple? A close synonym would be pair. You could say a pair of shoes instead of a couple of shoes. Another synonym, particularly when talking about people, is duo. The singing duo was amazing. You can also use the phrase two of, as in I need two of those apples. It's slightly less concise than couple, but it conveys the same meaning. Let's see those synonyms in action. The dancers performed as a pair. The musical duo received a standing ovation. I'd like two of those cookies, please. So, we've looked at what couple means and some words with similar meanings. What about words with the opposite meaning? What are the antonyms of couple? While there isn't one perfect opposite, words related to single or many can highlight the contrast. So we could say single is an antonym, emphasizing just one of something. Another antonym is individual, stressing the separateness of a person or thing. And finally, something like group or crowd, emphasizing more than two, could act as antonyms in certain contexts. Let's look at examples. Single, he is a single man. Individual, each individual student received a certificate. Group, a group of friends went to the cinema. See how these words emphasize being alone or part of a larger number, contrasting with the idea of a couple? Now, how can we use couple in everyday life? You might say, we're going out for a couple of drinks after work. This means you're planning to have two drinks, or maybe a few, but not too many. You could also say, they make a lovely couple when referring to two people in a romantic relationship. Another example, I'll be there in a couple of minutes, meaning you'll arrive in roughly 2 minutes. It's an approximation. It might be slightly more or less. Here are some more sentence examples. The happy couple celebrated their anniversary. Can I have a couple of sugar cubes with my coffee? The store is a couple of blocks from here. We spent a couple of hours at the museum. The detective questioned the couple about the incident. And some phrase examples, just a couple. A couple more. A lovely couple. A young couple. An old couple. Okay, to summarize, couple is a noun that means two people or two things. Synonyms include pair and duo, while contrasting words like single, individual, group, and crowd highlight the opposite meaning. We use couple frequently in everyday conversations to refer to two of something, whether it's people, objects, or units of time. It's a very common and useful word. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word couple helpful. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other English language learners find our show. And finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word couple and share it as a comment below this episode. I'd love to see how you're using it. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.